Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is none other than my haul for JanesAgenda Deluxe planner subscription box. Sorry you guys, it felt like a lot to get out because it's super early in the morning as I'm filming this video, because this is the only time my house is quiet. But anyway, if you want to see everything that I got in the box, then this is definitely the channel for you to watch. If you love hauls, planner related content, and a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled in between, then definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into the goodies from the box. So I'm gonna preface this by saying I have already pulled everything out of the box, y'all, because I filmed this already. But unfortunately, I did not realize that my mic was not working. So the battery went dead on it, so I had to flip everything out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump on in to everything that came in the box, and hopefully this is gonna go a little bit quicker. And maybe when I film the next month, then I will go and take everything out of the box and kind of see how I like it. So usually I like to open everything with you guys on camera, but I realized for time's sake that may not be the best thing. So it does come with a card at the beginning that tells you, thank you for subscribing. This is for the month of April, so the boxes still come a month ahead, so you're ready for the next month. So this box, I believe, is kind of geared towards spring, and geared towards cleaning based upon what I saw, which, let me tell you guys, I was kind of nervous about the box because you don't know, you get kind of like some sneak peeks, but your reaction is usually never the same. So you could be like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but the minute you get it in person, it may be totally different. So I'm not gonna do this in order. I'm just gonna reach for like whatever I see in front of me, because it does give you like everything that's coming in the box. So this box came with, she does have 14 items, but some of these things you have are sets. So I like to say it's a little more than that, but anyway, I'm gonna start off with the little journaling cards that came with it. So you did get 3. So you have a color coding kit, which is strange because I literally just made one of these for my budget. So I'm excited to actually use this, and then I can move it from month to month because I now have my budget in the month that I'm in to kind of go back and make sure that I am writing down my transactions and that I'm in line. Next you have your quote cards. It's got Out of Order Contributes to Inner Calm. That's by Gretchen Rubin. And then you have I'm Not a Minimalist. I love stuff, but I also love simplicity. If I don't need something, I don't have it. This is by Oprah Winfrey. So you do have those little cards there. I think I'll just set them up here. So next, it did come with a set of clear stickers, and these are cleaning by room sticker sheets, and they're completely clear, like see-through, kind of like her covers. Yes, we'll say dashboards, but her covers. So you have guest bathroom, primary bathroom, your foyer, your family room, your dining room. The font is so small, I don't know if you can see it, thank goodness for my background being white, but your closet, your front porch, your pantry, your laundry room, and your living room. And you do get 4 of each one, so this is definitely enough for pretty much an entire year, the way I'm looking at it. Depends upon, of course, how you use yours. Okay, so next up was this, I call it a little journaling card too, but it's called a I don't think she actually has a number on this one. No, she doesn't. There's not a number on this one, but it's kind of like a journaling card, and it's really thick, and it just has April 2024, and it's got like a little photo of a entryway to a garden, which I love. I love that the boxes have a little bit of a theme going to them. So, and it just has like their QR code and contact information on the back. In the event you want to access any subscriber exclusives, so I'm probably gonna go and do that and check it out, but that's really gorgeous nonetheless. Okay, so next up, it did come with this adhesive sticky note pad, kind of matching the florals that's on the photo there. I know the photo has a glare to it, but I did notice that these sticky notes were different than her sticky notes from last month, which are put away so I can't put my hands on them, but they didn't use the same company this time. I can definitely tell the difference because it's not a little bit of a sheen. The old sticky notes, a lot of companies use that other company that makes them, so there's a little bit of sheen to them, and they don't often like certain type of pens. So I'm excited to use these because I know who the brand is. If you have your box, you already know what I'm talking about. So let me go ahead and just kind of slide these on down here. I'm kind of trying to like set everything up to the side so you can see everything that I'm talking about. I'm trying to think, what do I want to show you guys next, because a few of the items not super big, but yeah, we'll go with the inserts. So she did include, as usual, some inserts. So the first set of inserts I'm going to share with you guys, it is the zone cleaning planner insert, and then you have, I'm trying to think of all the, I just talked about all the inserts. So the zone cleaning planner insert, and then you also have the weekly cleaning routine planner insert, and I think that is it for all the inserts, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so the zone cleaning planner insert is the first one I'm going to share with you guys, and the minute I saw this I was like, this is genius. To me, it's not really, oh no, this is not the insert, I'm sorry you guys, this is wrong. So this is actually the functional dashboard set. I'm wrong, guys, because it's thicker. So the functional dashboard set has your zones, technically not your zones, but things that you should clean through the month of April. It's blank on the back. And then it has your spring readiness, so you swap out your seasonal clothing, review your emergency kit, vehicle maintenance, your smoke detectors, clean any pet areas, outdoor furniture setup, etc. And then it has clean up like a champion, so it gives you things to actually clean up, like your bathroom basics. These are things technically you should do every single day. So this is definitely going to get some use in my planner. I was excited to actually see that because I've never seen a company actually give or offer that. Now, I'm not saying there aren't companies out there that offer it. I just never saw anyone do it. So the next thing is the zone cleaning inserts, which are very similar to these dashboards. So it does have your zone cleaning insert pages, and what I like about them is they are all the same, so you have enough probably for the entire, depending on how you do it, you probably have enough for the entire month or more, but it's cleaning by zone. So she gives you some zones here and then leaves blank space for other zones that you may not have. So like your cobwebs, and this is like your foyer one. Then you have, I was saying cobwebs and stuff, but cobwebs and vacuum rug, sweep, vacuum the floor. So really, depending upon how you use it, is how much you're gonna have. Then you've got your foyer again. So it's foyer. You've got your living room, family room. You have the dining room. I'm just gonna skip. You have your home office, which I try to keep my home office as tidy as I can. Laundry room, your kitchen, your pantry, your primary bedroom, your extra bedroom or bedrooms, etc. Again, a very unique idea, and I am hoping that she will actually offer these in the shop at some point so that you can always pick up extra for anyone that is interested. So next set of inserts are the weekly cleaning routine inserts, and I was excited about this too. So she does tell you kind of how to use it, your AM, your PM routine, and she says here, this cleaning routine keeps my home in order or guest ready shape, and I do a couple of other cleaning tasks as I have time each day. So I love that Jane's Magic cleaning routine. So the one thing about this I like is that even though it's broken down AM, PM, she includes cleaning habits, and you can put your week down here, and they are double-sided, so you have enough to probably do the whole month of April and then some, again depending upon how you use it. I don't think I'm going to use this as a daily type thing. Of course, I think I would definitely do it exactly how she would do it. Some people I heard were using them as like daily cleaning routine. So again, it just really depends on the person and how you do things as to how you're going to use what came in the box. So next up are the reversible dashboard set. And if you're familiar with JanesAgenda, then you already know she does dashboards that you can flip around to have the pattern side. Well, they both a pattern, but you have more of a bright in your face pattern and kind of sort of a semi-neutral pattern that's a lot more toned down. So it just says live simply and bloom wildly, which again goes with the theme of the box. And then your reversible side is these beautiful kind of like blue colored stripes. So it's definitely something for anyone here in this box. You're gonna find something that you like. So the next set of items I'm going to share with you are the decorative dashboard pack. So it comes with this very nice vellum that says garden, and it is a white print, so hopefully you guys can see that. And then it comes with, and I'm going to kind of layer that so you can see a little bit better, and then it comes with these two dashboards that it's the same image on both sides. So you have like this kind of garden swing and this very nice floral base. This kind of, I thought about like the Garden of Eden. Is this, you know, kind of how it may have looked in the beginning. So I really like this. I kind of am tempted to go ahead and use it right now, but I'm trying to control myself. So next up is the washi tape. So again, I already opened this, but I changed the roll. So when they come to you, they're going to come stacked in the box, but I rotated them on their side. So it does come with a green, a pink, and a yellow. Then you have your page finder. I always call it a bookmark, but it's a page finder that goes really nice with the theme of the box. I'm still using the current one from the month of March. So that box came in February. Then of course they're always a month ahead, you guys. So I don't know if I'm going to use this one right away. I may use it for something else in my planner, but I feel like once I get a box, I have to change everything out. So that's that. And then 2 more items left and I'll be done. So next up, she put in a vegan leather pencil case, which she just came out with a cover that's the same color as this. I'm so tempted now to get it. I do have a pencil case in my Bible carrier. So this is the one I just bought, which that would actually go really nice. But I'm not certain how I'm going to use this yet. But I think it's gonna go in my purse in some sort of way, because I do have planner pens and other things that are in my purse. But I love to have any sort of organization that I can use multi-purpose. So this is one that's like a pencil pouch, or a pouch, whatever. I don't want to say pencil pouch because you can use this for anything, but it does have her name, and their name and logo is on the inside too. I'm not going to show you guys that just for the sake of time. But last and certainly not least is one of my favorite items from JanesAgenda, and it is their reversible, not the reversible, I'm about to say the reversible dashboard set, you guys, but it is their covers. So I am really excited about the plastic cover. It's a plastic cover or dashboard set, so it's multi-purpose. I use mine as covers, but it does come with 2, and again, it's just the fact that I don't see people do this, and it's just really unique and beautiful. So you guys, this is everything. I'm struggling with finding a place to put stuff because it's a good bit of things, but this is everything that came in the box for the month of April. So hopefully you've received your box. Hopefully I didn't give you too many spoilers. These did not come in the box. These are just my fountain pens, you guys, that I literally just inked up, and I just had them back there, and like, oh, it just kind of worked. So hopefully you guys got your box. Hopefully you're enjoying everything that JanesAgenda has come out with so far this year. I am excited to see what she's gonna come out with for the rest of the year, because y'all, I was nervous on this box, but I am pleasantly surprised, as she says. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, be safe in those streets, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.